With the Oregon 700 series, you have a world of adventures in the palm of your hand. Are you ready to start exploring? When you're fully charged, turn on your Oregon by pressing and holding the power key on the top right of the device. When the unit comes on, it will ask you to select your language. After that, you'll arrive at the home screen. From here, you can access all the features the Oregon 700 series has to offer. Touch the hiker icon in the center to begin a hiking activity. Or swipe left or right on the touchscreen to scroll through your activity options. Press the power key on the right side of the device to open up your apps. Tap the magnifying glass to access navigation features like points of interest, waypoints, and more. Touch the IQ icon to browse the Connect IQ apps you've downloaded. Tap the menu icon to access device settings. You can lock the touchscreen to prevent accidental touches. Just press the power key, then select the lock icon. Thanks for watching. For more guidance on using your Oregon 700 series device, watch the other videos in this series.